Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Google Veo 2 AI video generator. I came across Google's new video AI, often called Veo, and naturally I had to check it out because anytime Google enters a space, things get interesting. So I tried accessing it through Video FX, but like a lot of people right now, I run into the message saying it's not available in my country yet. A little frustrating, but there is a workaround. You can still hit get notified and sign up with your email so you're first in the line when it rolls out. From what I've seen, Veo is designed to generate videos from prompts similar to tools like Sora, but with Google's ecosystem behind it. That likely means tighter integration with Gemini and potentially smoother workflows. I'm honestly curious how it performs once it's released, especially in terms of realism and control. For now, it's more of a waiting game, but if it lives up to expectations, this could be a big shift in how we create videos. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.